So, dapat intindihin ng mga abogado yan. Pati sila, they should, ito naman, Torre, ask them seriously again. Kasi, malapit ka na mag-retire. So, just ask them, sigurado ba kayo dito? Kasi hindi tayo mag-grow. Alam sabihin mo hindi, sabihin mo totoo, hindi alam nila yan.
Soft copies already for more than 30 years. That was the condition, if I may finish, sir. That was the condition that was requested and imposed before any action to be taken. The copy was provided earlier, and that copy, a hard copy, will not be also be provided to you, sir, as requested.
To whom was it sent? Because my client is actually insisting for a copy because until now...
We can send you a copy now, sir, if that is all right with you.
Well, we will have for almost 2 hours. Pakita na lang. At saka, ang basis ng pagbawasan nyo ng batas, saan ba? Anong batas? Batas ng Pilipinas o batas na ini-implement na nag-withdraw na tayo 2 years ago? Hindi po ba?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are implementing, the warrant of arrest is being implemented now is by virtue of a warrant of arrest issued by the ICC as contained in the red notice list, sir. But in the process of implementing the warrant of arrest and informing the President of his rights, we are applying the laws of the Philippines because it is within Philippine jurisdiction.
But we're still implementing
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
a law which is being implemented by a foreign entity. What foreign agency wherein we have already been.
Yes, sir. By committee, sir, we have to assist also.
So, thank you, sir. Thank you. And we still want to be clear ano yung rights na pinasa nyo sa Pilipinas. Salamat po. Kung rights ba ng Hague, o rights ba ng Pilipino, o rights ba ng... what are the rights?
Those are the Miranda rights, sir, under our laws. That was read by Brigadier General Nick Toy, sir.
Has the Miranda rights been adopted by the Hague Convention?
It doesn't necessarily have to be, sir.
Hindi ko masyado ano ito, sir. Relax lang tayo, magkaibigan tayo.
Yes, sir.
Pero pagkatapos nito, magkikita rin tayo. Whether I'm in jail or somewhere, we will eventually see together. So let us not grab it. Anong gusto lang malaman? Kasi siyempre, I am a Filipino citizen. Galing ko lang sa labas, nagbakasyon. At ito ang nangyari sa akin. So, ang first is, what is the basis for my arrest? If I am being arrested now for detention, on the basis of detention. So, what is the law and what is the crime that I committed?
May I be allowed to answer, Mr. Former President, sir?
Yes, sir.
Based on the warrant of arrest, Mr. President, the warrant of arrest is issued pursuant to Article 25(3), subsection A, the statute for the crimes against humanity, and murder pursuant to Article 7, paragraph 1, subsection A of the same statute, committed in the Republic of the Philippines during the relevant period. That is the one we just mentioned, Mr. President, in the warrant of arrest.
Yeah, ano man, simple hindi natin yung right country.
Yes, sir.
Because we want to exercise our options. Right country, sir. Hindi naman. Hindi yung ipiprint nyo dito, yung natanggap nyo dito.
Show us the basis for the, restriction of our freedom. Importante yan. alam ko ang trabaho. Trabaho is trabaho. Trabaho nila, alam nila. So, that's really to, wala lang pilitan na, respetuhan lang. Anyway, kung hindi nila ako patay, at life is bigla lang. Sila na naman ang nasa kabila. Bawat tuloy ako. Alam naman nila ang possibility niyan. It's just a matter of months actually. Kung manalo si Inday pagka-presidente, saan ito pulutin ito mga ito? Ubus ito. Iya, kailangan si Turit na kaaway na. Kailangan pilihan na hindi na mapilihan si Inday. Tatakbo ng presidente yan. Lalo na ngayon, nag-generate ko ng simpatiya. Puta, yan ang plus yan. Pag ilang months na, ibang presidente na naman, saan ito pupulutin ito? Ang problema, katrabaho lang ito, happen to be, ako, naiintindihan ko. Kaya, sinabi ko, this madness has to end. Ano lang kasi sa ang procedure kasi, let me be very frank with you. When you are placed under arrest,
Just for and against you in a court of law. And I want to ask you, sir, if you understand these rights.
I, of course, coming from you, it's very clear.
Now that you're asking, sir, for the basis of the warrant, the ICC had issued a warrant pursuant to Article 25(3)(a) of the statute for crimes against humanity and pursuant to Article 7(1)(a) of the same statute for murder, sir, committed in the Republic of the Philippines during the relevant period and as set forth in this warrant of arrest.
Must be murders. Hindi lang. So, can you now give me the copy of the...
We have provided a warrant of arrest to your lawyers earlier, sir. And we can provide it to you now, sir.
And one of the lawyers, what was presented to us was
I have Attorney Delgra, Attorney Diaz.
copy of what they have left today.
No, I'm not aware of I will ask. Let. Well, hindi ko, sir, hindi ko malaman anong basis ng detention period. I want to exercise my legal rights. So, dapat before I can make the first move, I have to know why I was brought here. And I'm asking now, sinong in charge what is the basis for my detention? What